Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel our Tech. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get dynamic island iPhone 14 notch on any Android device. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, today I'm using Android device, so I need notch screen on this Android device. So simply let's get started. So first of all, open the Play Store app on your Android device. So here is the Play Store app. So simply search here, search selfie camera dummy iPhone 14. So simply search this and install this first app. So I have already installed this app, selfie camera dummy iPhone 14. Install this app on your Android device. So after installing, simply go back and open this app. So tap on OK, grant, enable the option, go back. So select iPhone 14 and show selfie camera. So here you can see the notch is come. So tap on settings. So simply and tap on center, scroll down and tap on overlaps status bar. So simply scroll down here and margin Y. So reduce margin Y. So margin X, size. So brightness 100% and simply now go back. So here you can see guys, now the simply a notch is available on my Android device now. So dynamic island is available and it's working. So simply here is a simple method guys. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys, see you in the next video.